All that?
Yeah.
Can you do him first?
No. I gotta do both sides. No, do not run away from me, sir. I don't want to go inside the car. All right, gotta do the other side.
Yo. I know. Oh, oh, I'm sorry, bro. It hurts? You still feel it? Yeah, at least prep me for it, bro.
Alright, I gotta do both sides. It goes very deep. It's very uncomfortable. Alright. I'm gonna get the other side. Get it over with. I'll be ready. Alright. You can just put up your window, drive forward. That's it.
Oh! Ah!
That's it. You're all done.
Not bad, but you're gonna be okay.
Renee, come here. Other side. That's it, buddy. You're all done. Just the two of you?
Yep.
All right, you're all set. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a great one. So what'd you think?
It was good. Not bad.
No, it wasn't that bad.
It was gonna be painful.
Oh yeah, we're going to where my parents are staying in Orlando. We're gonna go have dinner. The whole Joy Xiani staff with my family, so it's about to be lit. Welcome back to Joy Xiani Uncut. So right now we are currently at my parents. So come in, let's go. You guys know Tommy already. What's good, Tommy? You good?
Good, dude.
Okay, so let's see. Let's see over here. Honey, I'm home. Okay, so we have Rosette. Rosette, where you at? Say hi. Hi. We have Rosette, okay. Rosette is my girlfriend. I'm joking, but you know, love, much love, okay? Let's go outside. Okay, so we have the whole family here. We have JP, my dad, Vicky, Hing, my sister-in-law, my sister, my brother, my niece, my godson. As a family. Welcome to Joy Xiani Uncut!
We're all part of making the band, but all of us fell, so it's only these 5 guys right now that made it. Oliver got dropped, I got dropped, so now it's only the boys, JP and 2 girls. And I think it's already a plus for Joy Xiani to have a girl handling the drums. I saw her yesterday, she has the vibe.
Yeah, the vibe.
Yeah, she be like good vibes. She be like, you know.
Yeah. And then I go like,
Yeah.
Alright, get that hair with me.
get it, girl.
Yeah.
Get it, girl.
I'm gonna see who wins.
Bebek?
Yes.
Bebek?
So the rule is, the
The first person to miss the shot gets thrown in the pool.
And the one that doesn't go in the pool.
What'd you say?
The one that doesn't get pushed in the pool.
You're right. High five, high five, high five. Woo, let's go.
I never saw someone go in the pool with tennis before or socks.
So you're next.
So Vicky and JP, I agree, let's go. Ladies first.
I thought I already made it though.
Yeah, we're doing it again.
We're doing JP now. JP got shirt on quick.
Wait. Hey.
You see this?
Yes, it's fine.
What? I guess it's a party. Sepa too.
Hold up.
No way. The first shot I made, so I don't really understand why that one didn't count, but I got thrown. And now it's a real party!
Okay, so right now, my dad versus Oliver. Oliver, go, we want to watch.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Now let's throw the birthday girl in the pool.
Yanni, what are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm watching the prank. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Oh, that's the same thing.
I wish you the best. Keep on being creative, spontaneous, funny, okay, and good to each other, to yourselves.
And work hard.
Work hard, play hard.
I'm just happy, man. Everyone's here together, you know, we're getting to know each other, the whole band. House is messy, man. Like, people are cooking, they're not cleaning. It was Haynes' birthday last weekend, I believe, and we had confettis all around, and the confettis are still everywhere.
There's still balloons in the pool. There's confetti in the house. Like, I remember the night of the party, I had picked up all the confetti on the floor here, but no one went upstairs to clean it. And who's gonna do it? Who's gonna do it? Is it me? Gonna find out.
I think we should take a day to clean, and I think it's all Vicky's fault.
I feel great. I feel super great. Actually, I'm all over the place. My routine is weird. I used to wake up at 5 a.m. I used to grind all the time. I used to start practicing. I would work out in the morning. And now we've been waking up at a weird time to do rehearsal. We rehearse all day and then we sleep the same exact day, like at 2 a.m. in the morning. And then we wake up like mad early to rehearse. We need to figure out a schedule, I'm telling you, because I'm gonna go crazy.
I was nervous about how it was gonna be living with a bunch of people, and I mean, like, the house is kind of trashed, but I feel like we're all doing our part in the sense of making the messes and also kind of cleaning them up. I think getting a schedule together for the house is gonna help everybody a lot. Just getting everybody to go to sleep kind of at the same time would be cool. Practices are going awesome. I love having the live music in the house. It's great.
Rehearsal's actually pretty dope. The show is gonna be lit! Gonna be crazy! All of us are shaking our asses and we're having a good time. They're mad long though because we keep learning like a new song every time. So now rehearsals, instead of like 2 hours, it's turning into almost like 4.
Rehearsal was good. The first rehearsal was a little shaky because everyone was tired. We went to sleep late last night. But the second half of the rehearsal was good because we went over the whole set list. Within a week we already did 24 songs.
So every day we have rehearsals at 10 to 12. I think today I woke up at like 10:45. So I don't have to tell you how that went. I feel like there's more chemistry going on in the band.
I want to build a real chemistry, you know, not just musically, but just like when we're on stage, just by a look, they understand everything I'm saying.
Obviously, when we first started to practice together, definitely felt like we, you know, have to work on it to make everything tight. But now that it's the third week or second week? I think it's second week already. Everybody sounds so good.
Hayne, I remember the first day. Was it Joe that pushed her in the pool? I don't remember, but I kind of feel bad for her because she broke her ankle the night of her birthday. I was confessing when she fell, but since everyone is always pranking everyone in the house, I'm like, I didn't believe it. And I heard, oh, my leg. I'm like, oh yeah, so Hayne just fell. I mean, I did help out after. I took her to the hospital. I drove 30 minutes to go to urgent care. We got there and they're like, oh, we're sorry sir, we have no x-ray machine. I'm like, what? How are you in urgent care and you don't have an x-ray machine? Like, yeah, I'm sorry, we don't. Okay, so next urgent care, 47 minutes away. Keep in mind that the night before we went to sleep at like 7 in the morning. But I still did it because Hayne is like my sister, so I'm taking like a week break, like from bothering her, and then trust me, Hayne, I'm coming for you, baby girl. Get ready. Drugs, Yanni, and cut.